Hey everybody, this is Alex Aquarius coming out here. It's about 12 o'clock midnight, Houston, Texas, Clear Lake. If you can see that, that is a river of a street flowing outside my home. This is the aftermath of Hurricane Harvey. This is a 4-lane road with an esplanade divider down the middle you cannot even see. Part of my home. This right here is Saturday. Oh my God, this water. So my foot right there can almost touch the water right there. My foot's in the water. That's about 2 feet high. This water is about 2 feet high. Flowing like a river. If I stepped into that, I would be swept away. Well, I probably wouldn't be swept away. Let's step into it. What do you think? Hey, what's going by? There's stuff floating by me here in the water. I don't know. Let me try to step down into it. That current seems kind of strong. But look down this road. This is Hurricane Harvey. Aftermath in Houston, the flood. It's coming over the curb. This curb is about 1.5 feet above the sidewalk, and it's almost, water's almost going over the curb. That's 2 feet. What is that? What is that in the water? I don't even know what's floating by me. What is that stuff? There's all kinds of debris and things in the water. You don't know what's going to come by you. This is late at night, and this road, you could not drive through here right now. I saw some cars at that intersection right there. That's at Saturn and Gemini. We're right next to the Johnson Space Center. Just a half a mile from Space Center, Houston, on NASA Road 1. And we are flooded. This stuff is all rushing down to the ocean right here. We're about a mile from the ocean, Nassau Bay. And this is a 4-lane road, completely submerged, man. I'm going to show you how far this goes down. If I can show you, let's see, with my foot. All right.